Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case you're having problems with the starter. This video will apply to Rams 1500 made from 2013 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, typical symptoms of a bad starter are vehicle obviously not starting, no crank and clicking sound coming from under the hood. And the first thing to do is to check the fuse and the relays. If these are good, then you want to check the starter itself. Okay, both the fuse and the relays will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side. Now, to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs which you have to press and then leave the cover up. Okay, and under the cover you will have access to all of the fuses and the relays. Now, on the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram which can help you to locate any of the fuses. And right here, this yellow piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove and check the small fuses. Okay, now the starter fuse, it's a fuse number F07, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to starter solenoid, and just next to it this is the starter relay, location number K07. So these two things is what you have to check. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.